Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran. إذ قالت الملائكة يا مريم إن الله يبشرك بكلمة منه اسمه المسيح عيسى ابن مريم وجيها في الدنيا والآخرة ومن المقربين. Translation. When the angel said, "O Maryam, indeed Allah gives you good news of a word from Him whose name will be Masiha, Jesus, Isa, son of Maryam. He will be honored in this world and in the hereafter and will be among those who are close to Allah." Hazrat Isa alayhi salam is called Kalimatum min Allah, meaning word from Allah, and this is because he was born without a father, just on the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In Quran we see that Isa alayhi salam has been called Isa ibn Maryam because he had no father. That's why he was related to his mother only. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that he will be honored in this world and hereafter, and he will come back to the world. He was only 33 years old when he was ascended by Allah to the skies, and he will come back in this world, and then with Muslims, with the followers Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he will establish the religion of Islam in the world, and this will inshallah happen, and this has been in the hadith, and there are predictions of this in Quran as well, as we will see today also. In this ayah, Allah also mentioned that he will be among muqarrabeen, meaning that he will be among those who are close to Allah. All the prophets of Allah and all the awliya, all the walis of Allah are among the muqarrabeen, and Jesus or Isa alayhi salam is also one of them. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَيُكَلِّمُ النَّاسَ فِي الْمَهْدِ وَكَهْلًا وَمِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ. Translation. He will speak to the people from his cradle and in adulthood, and he will be of the righteous. This is mentioned in more detail in Surah Maryam, second ruku, that when Jesus alayhi salam was born, Maryam alayhi salam brought him back. So the people said that you did a very sinful thing, but she pointed towards the baby, and they said that how can we talk to the baby who is in cradle? Hazrat Isa spoke at that time, which is recorded in Quran, Surah Maryam, ayah number 30 to ayah number 33. Translation. Child spoke, I am indeed a devoted servant of Allah. He has given me the book and appointed me a prophet. And he has made me blessed wherever I am, and has enjoined on me salah and zakah so long as I live. And he has made me dutiful to my mother and did not make me arrogant, unblessed. This was extremely unusual that a newborn baby is talking. However, in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that he will talk in the age of kahulat, which is the age between the youth and the elderly age, and scholars say that this is about 40 years of age, but Isa alayhi salam was ascended at the age of 33. So this is a clear indication from Allah that Isa alayhi salam will return to the world, and he will reach the age of 40, and he will talk at that age as well, because everyone speaks at the age of 40, but mentioning here for Jesus alayhi salam is that he will return to the world and will reach age of 40 and will talk to the people at that time. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.